Patong Beach is Phuket's most famous beach destination, known for its 3-kilometer stretch of sandy shoreline and vibrant atmosphere. The beach offers a mix of peaceful mornings, lively afternoons, and exciting nightlife. The Big Buddha, officially known as Phra Phuta Ming Mongkol Eknakiri, is a 45-meter-tall seated Buddha statue located atop Nakert Hill in Chalong. Made of white Burmese marble, it is one of the most revered landmarks in Phuket, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the island and the Andaman. Phuket Old Town, timeless architecture and fascinating culture. This is Phuket Old Town, famous for its charming Sino-Portuguese architecture. Every corner reveals unique shops and glimpses into the local way of life. And no trip to Old Town is complete without sampling some of its famous street food. As evening falls, Phuket transforms. The night markets spring to life, offering a feast for the senses. Our little traveler, Kat, is eager to explore this dazzling new world. The aroma of exotic spices and delicious treats fills the air. So much to see, smell, and maybe even taste. A perfect way to experience the local culture and vibrant nightlife of Phuket. Kat couldn't resist trying one of the local favorites. What a perfect end to a day full of adventure. Subscribe to join more adventures with Kat the Travelers.
Meow, what an adventure!